Hey everyone, Nubia has introduced its latest gaming smartphones, Red Magic 10 Pro and Red Magic 10 Pro Plus, at a highly anticipated event in China. These new devices are designed to elevate the mobile gaming experience with advanced hardware and impressive display technology, offering gamers an edge in performance and visuals. The Red Magic 10 series features a stunning 6.85-inch Wukong OLED display with a resolution of 2,688 by 1,116 pixels. This immersive screen design is completely uninterrupted, free from any holes or cutouts, providing a seamless visual experience. The display supports refresh rates of up to 144 Hz and a touch sampling rate of 960 Hz, ensuring buttery smooth motion and ultra-responsive controls. With a 10-bit color depth, full DCI-P3 color gamut coverage, and a maximum brightness of 2000 nits, the screen delivers vibrant colors and excellent visibility, even under direct sunlight. At the heart of the Red Magic 10 Pro and Pro Plus is the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, combined with Adreno 830 graphics, LPDDR5X Ultra RAM, and UFS 4.0 Pro storage. This octa-core CPU ensures exceptional performance, and the devices are equipped with a sophisticated cooling system to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions. Additionally, the series introduces the Red-Core R3 gaming chip, which enhances gameplay with support for more than 200 games at resolutions of 2K+ and frame rates of up to 120 FPS, with advanced frame parallelism for smoother experiences. Photography and videography on the Red Magic 10 Pro Plus are powered by a 50-megapixel OmniVision OV50E40 primary sensor with an f and 1.88 aperture and optical image stabilization. Complementing this is a 2-megapixel macro sensor and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with a 120-degree field of view. For selfies, the device features a 16-megapixel OmniVision front camera, cleverly integrated beneath the display. Nubia has also incorporated AI-powered enhancements to improve the quality of selfies and videos, ensuring impressive results across a variety of scenarios. The Red Magic 10 Pro Plus is fueled by a Bull Demon King silicon carbon battery with a massive 7,050 mAh capacity. This powerhouse battery supports 120-watt fast charging, allowing the phone to reach a full charge in just 30 minutes or achieve 50% charge in an astonishing 11 minutes. The standard Red Magic 10 Pro offers an 80-watt charging solution and comes equipped with a slightly smaller 6,500 mAh battery. Both devices run on Red Magic OS 10, a custom user interface built on Android 15, which includes numerous features and optimizations tailored to gamers. These enhancements aim to deliver a seamless and immersive gaming experience. In China, the Red Magic 10 Pro and Red Magic 10 Pro Plus are already available for pre-order, with official sales beginning on November 18th. The smartphones are offered in various colors and memory configurations, with prices starting at $693 for the base model and going up to $832 for the most advanced configuration. For global markets, the Red Magic 10 Pro is expected to launch by the end of 2024, making it a highly anticipated device for gamers worldwide. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and have no questions. Have a nice day, and God bless you.